The cigarette is an addiction that damages your lungs. We all know that by taking a cigarette, the bad smoke goes into your lungs. All those smokers have a coughing problem. Even their own breath is not clean. It smells. All the smokers smell. So that means you're harming your lungs. And believe me, I have seen so many cases. In the young time, they smoke a cigarette. But at the time of the death, I have seen these people dying with a coughing. I have seen these people with a cancer. I have seen many people with this problem that appears on later on.